I'm going to be straightening my hair. And I will also be sharing with y'all some new products. So the products that I'm going to be sharing with you guys are from Smooth and Shine. So I wanted to share them with you guys, and I also want to thank Smooth and Shine for sponsoring this video. So basically, they're switching up their product ingredients a little bit, and their products also have a new look. When I used to straighten my hair before, I used to use their hair polisher all the time. So this is the old one, this is how it looked, and then this is the new one. So this is their new hair polisher, and this is awesome because they have natural ingredients in them now. There's coconut oil and black seed oil in their new products. And so since I'm doing a straight look, I'm going to be sharing products with you that you would use if your hair was straight. So the three I'm going to be sharing with you today are the straightening polisher, the bodifying mousse, and the hydrating setting mousse. So everyone's favorite foaming wrap. This was the old look, and this is the new look. So whenever you're going to the stores and you're trying to find it, this is not what they have anymore, and this is what they have now. And y'all, I love these products. I'm about to straighten my hair, and I'm going to use the hair polisher in my hair. And so with this, it is up to 79% less breakage, blow dry, heat protectant, and it boosts shine. And it's for all these different hair types here. So I just washed my hair and I've been letting it air dry a little bit, so now it's time to blow dry. So I'm going to do it section by section, and then I will just apply this to each section as I go. So this, you don't have to use too much, just a little bit is all you need. I love that it has heat protectant in it, because I don't usually use heat in my hair too much. So when I do, like, I want my hair to be protected. So I always like to use a good heat protectant. I'm just gonna go there and make sure it is nice and detangled, and it still is. So I'll do this, start with the tension method. I'm gonna pull it down and kind of blow it that way, and then I'll go through with the brush. And I'm going to do it on warm heat, and my setting will be high. It is hot in here, but I just finished blow drying my hair. I'm just gonna kind of feel around and make sure it's not damp anywhere, which I'm pretty sure it's not. I think I did it pretty thoroughly. So you don't want to start flat ironing and your hair is still damp. So what I am going to be doing is the chasing method. So I'm just going to be using this comb to chase it. all done. This is the completed look. I absolutely love that straightening polisher. It works so good with helping straighten my hair and keeping it really shiny. Also, it smells really good. So, absolutely love Smooth & Shine's new products and their new formulas. They have it for straight hair, curly hair, natural hair, for all hair types. So y'all should check them out. Bye.